The National Weather Service in Buffalo has issued a special marine warning for Lake Ontario from Stony Point to Syracuse NY Track until 11:45 p.m. At 6:30 p.m., Doppler radar strong thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1 and 3 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area. Dew flooding will begin shortly. Hazard: dew flooding caused by strong thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: small craft could be damaged in briefly higher winds and suddenly flooded waves. Some locations will include Stony Point and Syracuse. Slow down, don't drown when encountering flooded lakes. Most flood deaths occur in boaters. Move to safe harbor. Act quickly to protect your life. Please report flooding to your local law enforcement agency when you can do so safely.